Okay, so I'm about to show a demo of how to construct the Asaro head using the Loomis method. And as we know, we first start with a circle. It must not be perfect, but just make sure it's loose enough. And you have to free your hand and also take note of how you hold your pencil. So we start with the circle, a light circle. So now, like I said, it must not be perfect. All you just need is a guide. So now you make it circular. Yeah. Then we have a line to show the position of the nose. That's the middle of the face, dividing it into two. So because this is a side view we are drawing, you position with the nose. Then we have this, and then we have another circle on the inside to show the side view. Show the side view, and that's correct. Then we cross, and then we come like this, and then we go like this. Now this line shows your eyebrow line. This is the side. This area is for the ear, so always have that in mind, that this area is for the ear. And then this marks out your jaw, so go like this, and then like this, we have your jaw. Now we can now get another line. This line used to get the nose, the area for the nose, and then another line for the lips. Now you just use your eyes to measure it. Use your eye to measure it. It must not be perfectly placed at first, but as you go, you define it more. So now we are going to get the island. So we have this, and then we can now take note of the general shape of the nose. General shape of the nose, which is this, runs like this, and like this. We also have this. So we are here now. This goes in and comes like this. Most times it joins, and we can now pick from here to get our eye. It goes like this, and like this. So we get this one out here. From here we get another line. Normally it will come like this, but because of our reference, we have this, which always goes down to the mouth. So you can now block this out. this one. We're not going into details yet, so just marking out some necessary lines. So we have the lip now. We're also taking into note the general shape of the lip, which is this. Then we also have this. So you can define the shape now by doing this. So always, most times we get this from this line down. The line comes like this. You can draw in the other eye here. Now this area of Asaro head is not always detailed, while the other side is always more detailed. That's why we see this here. It's just showing us the general shape, while this one is much more detailed, showing us the shape of the eye. You will see it in most Asaro head pictures. So we have this one, and then we take it down to this line. Jawline, this is showing your jawline. And this one always comes down to the lip. Like I said earlier, as you're drawing, you're refining things. So from here we have another line here because of the shadow that casts from the lower lip. And then we have this line. Now this is for your jaw. This is for your jaw. We've established the area before. Now we are going to define it more to fit into the drawing. Always remember we have an under structure that leads to the neck. So you always take that into mind. And then this area, so now I'm going to define the ear now. Now the head is in planes, so you make sure that when you are drawing, you first draw planes before you draw the form. So we always have this bridge here. Now the forehead is divided into 3 parts. The middle. Now this line here is always your hairline. Now from the initial circle we drew by the side, the top of it is always your hairline, so you can get your hairline from there. So we have one here, 2 here, and 3. That is it. So we're rounding up here. We also draw out your side lines, and then another plane from this point here. You join it to this. Then from here you join down here. So we have that put in place, and then we take it down to the neck. So now I'm going to detail the area for the Adam's apple. We always see it's like a V. Then there's this, and then the under part of it. So you could basically shade here, so this is the basic lines of the Asaro head. This